Today we are going to learn about how to add certification in your LinkedIn account. So let's begin. In the profile section, you can find that there is add profile section. Inside that there will be a license and certification. So here you can write that from where you have taken the certification or name of the certificate. After that, the issue organization, issue date, and until if there is expiry, then you can select this one. Here you have credential ID and credential URL. You just save it, so certification will be there ready. There will be a certification. So I get the certification from the Sololearn. So I will select that one. Then Sololearn. Certified Javascript course month. So right now there is 14th May 2021. There is no expiry. So right now I don't have credentials, so let's just save it. Yeah, I successfully added to my profile section. Here it is.